Good day to you, and welcome to another Paddocks Club video tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about the current status of the Sectional Title Schemes Management Act and the Community Scheme Ombuds Service Act. These two bills were made law at the same time. In the middle of 2011 they were signed, they were put on the statute books, but they haven't as yet been brought into operation. And the question of when they will be brought into operation is important. We know the text of the acts, but we haven't yet seen the, the regulations that go with them, so we haven't as yet got the full picture. When is this all going to happen? Well, the current situation is that in the middle of last month, the Minister of Finance actually created the Community Scheme Ombuds Service as a new public entity, so it now has legal existence, and he did that with retrospective effect to the 1st of April this year. So all the things that the Department of Human Settlements has been doing in the background are now within the scope of this entity, which actually exists. And what has yet to be done? Well, there are quite a lot of things. There still has to be, the board members have to be finalized. The appointment of the chief ombud and various of the officers, most significantly the chief financial officer, have yet to be finalized, although applications have been sought and received for those positions. And all of this will be happening during the first half of next year. The regulations which have to go to Parliament for both acts will probably get there in the middle or towards the end of the first half of 2013, and it is most likely that we will see both of these acts operative by June or July 2013. So you don't need to worry about these things just for a little while now. Go on holiday, don't worry to read these things, but put a note in your diary for next year that round about June you should be looking at them again, because the landscape is likely to change in this regard. Thank you very much for joining me. If you have any questions, we can pick this up on the discussion forum.